Why programming is so hard? Isn't there another way to solve my programming code? Search for GitHub. Search for what? GitHub.
Our group going to explain to you what is GitHub and how does it work. For student who is pursuing computer science, I think GitHub can be their unsung hero. Why? It is because GitHub, the Git, is a platform that is providing the developers and the expert programmers to upload their open source code. So, I have basically stated the basic functions of GitHub. So, I would like to pass to my next groupmate to share with you how does it work specifically.
Go to the GitHub website and search for the search section. They type in the program name that you want to create. So in this case, this name wanted to do a speech recognition. Let's type the keyword such as speech recognition. Any keyword we do as long as it what we want to search for.
After type the keyword, there will be a long search list. You can scroll down and click the next button to see more. You can try to click whichever file that you like. Here I choose the broad traversy source code. In his directory, there are 4 sections, which are gitignore, assist.py, main.py, and readme. The readme file which are sort of like user guide to install or run program. The source code itself which are the assist.py and main.py.
The reason why there are 2 files of source code is because the source code in the main Python was edited and saved as a new file, which means the assistant Python will have a better code than main Python. So in this video, I will use assistant Python. To copy this code, click on the row button and right click to copy all text. After you finish copying the code, of course you have to paste it on your IDE or integrated development environment such as Python, since the codes are from the Python programming language.
To make your program a little bit different from the one that you have copied from the GitHub, here I will change a little bit of the code that suits to my program. After you have finished your code, save and run your program. Let's see how it works.
Recording.
Hello.
Hey, how can I help you? Recording.
What time is it?
18 hours and 35 minutes. Recording.
Search for GitHub.
Here is what I found for GitHub on Google. Recording.
Goodbye. Wow, that was so easy. I guess that this GitHub surely do an amazing job and save beginners like us to code our program. But remember that even so, it is so easy for you to copy paste all the codes that provided in GitHub, but you still have to know and understand every single code that the programmers does in GitHub. In conclusions, most of the students in computer sciences having the difficulties to find an open source reference for their program. So the solution for this problem is that they can go to search an open source reference that uploaded in GitHub. GitHub is not only specifically for students, but also to every programmers out there, since there are a different type of availability of accounts such that for personal use, organizations, and enterprise. The best thing about GitHub is that programmers can work with the same code regardless of different place and times, thus making it easier to organize and documenting their final works. Talking about security, GitHub has the best security from protecting individual information to organization information. In this video, we are using two kinds of ICT tools, which are our own phone camera to record our videos, and second is the video creator software Filmora. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.